Good day, my wonderful viewers out there. Once again today, you are welcome to Chris Feco Education. Um, in our physics class today, we shall be looking at distance. Distance. Now the question is, what is distance? Distance in physics is a physical quantity, or moreover, is a natural quantity, and we describe it as the measure of space between 2 points. In other words, for us to measure the distance between 2 points, we use positions of points in identifying a physical body. For instance, we say i.e. if P is bracket x1 and y1, where P is the point between x1 and y1, the point of intersection between them defines their coordinate point. But in this case, in solving for distance between 2 points, assuming we have point A to be bracket 1, 2, and point B to be bracket 2, 3. And in this, we are asked to find the distance between point A and B. We say we are asked to find the distance between point A and B. In solving for the distance between point A and B, we have that distance for line AB is equals to the square root of dy plus dx. Let me just write it well. It's equals to the square root of dy plus dx square, where i.e. the dy is equals to change in y axis, and the dx is equals to change in x axis. So taking the positions of the point P1 to be bracket x1 and y1, then we'll have it also that we'll have P2 to be x2 and y2. Assuming that these are the positions of points representing A and B, and our A is our P1 to be bracket 1, 1 and 2, and our B is our P2 to be bracket 2 and 3. So when we take it like this to identify the positions of points, we have it that our P2 represent B, then our x2 will be 2, and our y2 will be 3. And here our x1 is 1 and our y1 is 2. So we'll say therefore our dy is equals to y2 minus y1, which is equals to our y2 is what? 3 minus, and our y1 is what? Is 2, which gives us what? 1. That is changing y axis. Then our dx is equals to x2 minus x1, which is equals to our x2 is 2 and our x1 is what? 1, which is also 1. So changing x-axis is 1 and changing y-axis is also 1. So we'll say therefore the distance between line A and B is now equals to the square root. Our dy is what? 1. We have it as 1 square plus our dx is also what? 1. Also have it as what? 1 square, which is now equals to the square root of 1 square is 1. 1 square is what? 1, which is now equals to the square root of what? Of 2. So we have it that root 2 is the distance between line A and B. So the distance between line A and B is root 2 units. So this is how to solve for the positions of a point, or for the position of 2 points on the Cartesian plane. So here is a test activity for you to try. Text activity. You can try this on your own using this formula for the distance between 2 points. So we'll say for the first one, given that the position of 2 points are as follows. A, G bracket minus 1, minus 2, and D bracket 3 and minus 7. Then B, you have F bracket 7 and minus 5, and U bracket minus 6 and minus 9. Then you have C, Z bracket minus 3 and minus 4, and X bracket minus 6 and minus 8. So find the distance between the points. So this is a test activity for you to try on your own. Using what I have done here, you can also be able to find the distance between the given 2 points. Using it, that all these represent the positions of points of a physical body on the Cartesian plane. Thank you very much.